Inertial Sense is a manufacturer of tactical grade inertial systems. Our sensor is the smallest, most cost-effective tactical grade solution on the market, with specifications comparable to that of many of our main competitors. The difference is that we're 2 to 3 times lower in cost. Our inertial sensors are designed to aid our customers in scaling their products. Unlike other manufacturers of similar products, we know how much low price points matter. That being said, we are the only tactical grade inertial system manufacturer with the ability to achieve price points below $100 per piece. The core of all Inertial Sense Solutions, IMU, AHRS, and INS is the IMX-5. This unit is a triple redundant IMU solution that contains a custom calibration consisting of bias, scale factor, cross-axis alignment, and temperature compensation. Its output includes angular rate, linear acceleration, magnetic vector, barometric pressure, and also includes the AHRS sensor fusion for roll, pitch, and yaw. An incredibly important detail surrounding the IMX-5 is that it's tactical grade. An IMU is industry qualified as tactical grade when the in-run bias stability of the gyroscope is between 0.5 degrees per hour and 5 degrees per hour. The in-run bias stability is a representation of how stable the IMU is. A gyro with lower bias stability will lead to lower errors in position estimates for an IMU. Inertial Sense is not the only supplier of tactical grade inertial systems in the industry, but what truly makes our IMX-5 unique are its price points. Generally speaking, the cost of a tactical grade inertial system can range from $1,000 to $5,000. The IMX-5, on the other hand, was designed to aid our clients in scaling their products. Prior to the release of this new product offering, it was not uncommon for engineering teams to pay $1,000 or more per unit in high volumes. And the issue with this is how can you mass produce a cost-effective product that contains such an expensive chipset? Here at Inertial Sense, we understand this, which is why we offer the IMX-5 at starting price points of $200 with the flexibility to achieve price points well below $100 in high volume. Just imagine what you could create with a 75% or higher cost savings on technology like our tactical grade IMX-5.